Welcome back to the breakdown. Today we're going to be taking a look at Amazon's new affordable healthcare option called Amazon Clinic. Now, this allows you to see a doctor virtually through a questionnaire and get many common health issues taken care of. For example, acne, allergy, male hair loss, help quitting, and a whole lot of other options here. Some require a prior diagnosis and some require no prior diagnosis. We're going to be breaking down the pros and cons, give you an idea what this will cost, and a whole lot more in this video. First though, hey, we break down a wide range of services, products, and more, reviews, how-tos, quick tips. Could you help us grow? Could you help me support my family? Let YouTube know you enjoy what we do here just by hitting that subscribe button or hitting that thumbs up. It lets YouTube know that so that we can easily and quickly grow. So with that said, let's dive into this, taking a look at everything that Amazon has to offer here. Now, this is very simple, and there's a few key things here to know. First of all, I will link to this down in the show notes in the first pinned comment, so you can find it on Amazon. It is a different account from your Amazon account. You won't be able to access this through your regular Amazon account. You'll create a new one from your phone number with a PIN and more, which is great. So if you share an Amazon account with people, they're not going to get your medical health issues here through that. So with that, let's dive and look at what they do. So things like acne, birth control, cold sores, eczema, dandruff, help quitting smoking, male hair loss, pink eye, and a wide range of other medical needs here you can get help with. You can also do prescription renewals for high cholesterol, migraines, high blood pressure, and more. Now, in my testing on this here in Michigan, I noticed the pricing can vary anywhere from about $30 to $50. And I get a couple different options of different clinics. So Amazon's not actually the doctor here. They're just kind of the middleman that's helping you hook up with other places. For example, there's two here. HealthTap and SteadyMD are two licensed clinics here in Michigan that offer this service. It even tells me the estimated response time. 4 hours for HealthTap, 1 hour for SteadyMD. And what you do here is if you would select them, you would answer a short 5 to 10 minute questionnaire. You will send them a photo ID to with this as part of it, and then you wait for a response. There is one important difference here. For instance, my medical office here in Michigan does allow virtual care, but it's more expensive, and it's actually a video call or a phone call with a doctor to answer a few questions. With this, you're actually just typing them a message. It's a text message, kind of email, kind of medical care here. You answer a questionnaire, you send them what's happening, they respond back by writing. If they prescribe you something, you will be able to go and take that prescription and go and to whatever pharmacy you want. Of course, Amazon would suggest their pharmacy, mail it to you, but you can go to your local Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, Target, wherever to get your prescription refilled with it. Pretty simple. And it even tells you right off the bat that this visit is messaging. I would expect in the future that they would do more and more video ones being added, but for the time being, it's all messaging. You see both of these are $30 here. Seasonal allergies, $30. Yeast infection, let's see here, $35 for that. Urinary tract, $35. I'm kind of, that one doesn't go anywhere. Cold sores, let's see where they got $30, $35. It's pretty standard pricing for most of these, $30 for this. Well, it may not be the cheapest. I know a lot of people would love to get a free visit, and if you're on certain medical plans, you can do that through your regular doctor. The quick turnaround on this is really nice, and for people without health insurance or maybe without that good of health insurance, $30, $35 for most of these visits is a pretty favorable visit. Let's take a look at things like asthma here. $30 for prescription, high blood pressure, $30. Migraines, there we go. Hypothyroidism, there's something I'm familiar with. Again, $30, pretty nice. And when you are used to having twice a year or once a year, depending on where you are, have to go in and get this done, $30 is actually a much cheaper deal than if I had to do it through a regular doctor with a copay or without insurance especially. So there you go. There is answering your questions. Now, it is a licensed nurse practitioner or doctor answering your questions in your state. What services are available do vary slightly by state. Pricing does vary by state. I'm giving you pricing here for Michigan. But it's a very nice option. The question is, will people trust Amazon to be the healthcare broker between them and their doctor for these kind of situations? Increasingly, thanks to the 2020 year, virtual healthcare is becoming more popular, and more companies from CVS and now Amazon are getting on board with their virtual healthcare systems to deliver you rapid healthcare to address many common issues, whether it's sinusitis, male hair loss, dandruff, eczema, eyelash growth, heartburn, pink eye, seasonal allergies, and more, without needing to take time off of work, without needing to pull the kids out of school to go see a doctor. So 2 thumbs up for that. I will put a link again to this in the first pinned comment and in the show notes down below. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Hopefully this answered your questions and helped you decide if this service is right for you. So if you like what we do here, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. It really does help us because it lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. So Amazon will recommend, or YouTube will recommend our videos to more people, helping me grow the channel, helping me support my family. Until next time, take care, be safe. We'll be back again real soon.